Hello students, if you wish to learn the computer fundamentals necessary to build the theoretical foundation and conceptual understanding of computers, welcome to the Computer Fundamental course on SWAYAM, masterfully crafted by Professor Sanjay Tanwani. This comprehensive course takes you deep into how the computation takes place inside the machine. You will also explore system hardware, microprocessors and memory organization from the ground up. But it is not just hardware. You will master disk operating system, variety of input output devices used for display and printing, system logic using flowchart and understand compilers, linkers and essential programming workflows. Whether you are a student or working professional looking to upskill, this self-paced course offers the perfect mix of theory and practical insight. The course is scheduled to start from July 2026 session and you can register free on SWAYAM portal. Thanks.